Welcome to the Sounds of the 70s. I'm Oscar Osbo. You know, I used to do this show many moons ago in the 80s, and I thought it's time to bring it back because we haven't heard any good 70s lately, so you got to hear them. So we've got them. We've got, let's see, some Doobie Brothers. We've got some Stevie Wonder, Marvin Gaye. How about The Guitar Man by Bread, or Sweet Home Alabama, or even Stills and Crofts. So coming your way right now on the Sounds of the 70s. Gonna start things off with Black Water. It's a song recorded by the American group the Doobie Brothers from 1974 and their album What Were Once Voices Are Now Habits. The track features Patrick Simmons on lead vocals, and in mid-March 1975 became the first of the Doobie Brothers' two #1 hit singles. Here it is, Black Water, on the Sounds of the 70s.
Well, I built me her raft and she's ready for flow. Oh, Mississippi, she's calling my name. Catfish are jumping, that paddle wheel bumping. Black water keep rolling on fast just the same. Oh, black water keep on rolling. Mississippi moon, won't you keep on shining on me? Oh, black water keep on rolling. Mississippi moon, won't you keep on shining on me? Oh, black water keep on rolling. Mississippi moon, won't you keep on shining on me? Yeah, keep on shining your light. Gonna make everything great. Mama gonna make everything alright. And I ain't got no worries, 'cause I ain't in no hurry at Well, if it rains, I don't care, don't make no difference to me. Just take that streetcar, let's go in uptown. Yeah, I like to hear some funky Dixieland and dance a honky tonk. And I'll be buying everybody drinks all around. Oh, black water, keep on rolling. Mississippi moon, won't you keep on shining on me? Oh, black water, keep on rolling. Mississippi moon, won't you keep on shining on me? Oh, black water, keep on rolling. Mississippi moon, won't you keep on shining on me? Keep on shining your light. Gonna make everything gonna make everything alright. And I ain't got no worries, 'cause I ain't in no hurry at all. With your daddy all night long. I'd like to hear some funky Dixieland. Pretty mama, come and take me by the hand. By the hand, take me by the hand. Pretty mama, come and dance with your daddy all night long. I'd like to hear some funky Dixieland. Pretty mama, come and take me by the hand. By the hand, take me by the hand. Pretty mama, come and dance with your daddy all night long. I'd like to hear some funky Dixieland. Pretty mama, come and take me by the hand. Come on, baby. Take me by the hand. Pretty mama, come and dance with your daddy all night long. I'd like to hear some funky Dixieland. Pretty mama, come and take me by the hand. By the hand, take me by the hand. Pretty mama, come and dance with your daddy all night long. I'd like to hear some funky Dixieland.
You're listening to the Sounds of the 70s. We just heard from the Doobies. You know, winding your way down on Baker Street, light in your head and dead on your feet, well, another crazy day. You'll drink the night away. It's Baker Street. Here's Gary Rafferty on the sounds of the 70s. Sounds of the 70s, Oscar Osbo and Stevelyn Hardaway Judkins, born in 1950 in Saginaw, Michigan. Here he is, otherwise known as Stevie Wonder.
You are the sunshine of my life. That's why I'll always be around.
You are the apple of my eye. Forever you'll stay in my heart.
I feel like this is the beginning. Though I've loved you for a million years, if I thought our love was today, I'd find myself drowning in my own tears. Whoa, whoa, you are the sunshine of my life. Yeah, that's why I'll always stay around. Yeah, yeah. You are the apple of my eye. Forever you stay in my heart. You must have known that I was lonely, because you came to my rescue. And I know that this must be heaven. How could so much love be inside of you? Oh, you are the sunshine of my life. Yeah, that's why I'll always stay around. You are the apple of my eye. Forever you stay in the heart. Yeah, you are the sunshine of my life, baby. That's why I'll always.
Hey, what's happening?
Brother, what's up?
This is a big party, man.
Yeah,
I can
brother,
dig it.
solid. Right on.
Hey, man, what's your name? Everything is everything. Get down today, bro.
Mother, mother, there's too many of you crying. Brother, 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 there's far too many of you dying. You know we've got to find a way to bring some loving here today. Yeah. Father, Father, we don't need to escalate. You see, war is not the answer, for only love can conquer hate. You know we've got to find a way to bring some loving here today. Oh, picket lines and picket signs. Don't punish me with brutality. Talk to me so you can see. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, what's going on? Oh, what's going on? Right on.
Hey, man, what's your name?
Right on. Right on.
Everything.
Everybody thinks we're at home. Oh, but who are they to judge us? Simply cause our hair is long. Oh, you know we've got to find a way. Bring some understanding here today. Oh, oh, oh. Picket lines and picket signs. Don't punish me with brutality. Come on, talk to me so you can see what's going on. Yeah, what's going on? Tell me what's going on. I'll tell you what's going on. Ooh. Right on, right on. Right on. Right on, baby. Right, right.
Take it home.
The one and only Marvin Gaye on the sounds of the 70s. You know, the studio didn't want to release it, but Gaye refused to record anything else until they did. So there you go. Had a little bit of power. He made some hits. Right now it's time for Bread. Here's Guitar Man.
Who draws the crowd and plays so loud, baby? It's the guitar man. Who's gonna steal the show? You know, baby, it's the guitar man. He can make you love, he can make you cry. He will bring you down and he'll get you high. Something keeps him going miles and miles a day to find another place to play. Night after night, who treats you right, baby? It's the guitar man. Who's on the radio? You go listen to the guitar man. Then he comes to town and you see his face, and you think you might like to take his place. Something keeps him drifting miles and miles away, searching for the songs to play. Then you listen to the music and you like to sing along. You want to get the meaning out of each and every song. Then you find yourself a message and some words to call your own and take them home. But no one seems to know what it is that makes him go. Then the lights begin to flicker and the sound is getting dim. The voice begins to falter and the crowds are getting thin. But he never seems to notice, he's just got to find another place to play. Fade away. Got to play.
Bread on the sounds of the 70s. I'm Oscar Osbo, and this next song, let me just read some of the lines in here. Now, Muscle Shoals has got the Swampers, and they've been known to pick a song or two. Yes, they do. Lord, they get me off so much, they pick me up when I'm feeling blue. Now, how about you? Yeah, one and only Leonard Skinner, Sweet Home Alabama. Sounds of the 70s, I'm Oscar Osbo. Well, this song was written originally recorded in America soft rock duo Sills and Crofts. It is the title track of their fourth studio album and was released as the album's lead single in August 1972. The song reached number 6 on the Billboard Hot 100 charts. And in the U.S., in 2013, it was ranked as 13 in Rolling Stone's Best Summer Songs of All Time. The song also became a hit for the Isley Brothers in '74. Here it is, Summer Breeze, Sills and Crofts, on the sounds of the 70s.
See the curtains hanging in the window in the evening on a Friday night. Little light is shining through the window, lets me know everything's alright. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind. See the paper laying on the sidewalk, a little music from the house next door. So I walk on up to the doorstep, through the screen and across the floor. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind. Sweet days of summer, the jasmine's in bloom. July is dressed up and playing her tune, and I come home from a hard day's work. The smile waiting in the kitchen, food cooking on the plates for two. Feel the arms that reach out to hold me in the evening when the day is through. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind.
When the weather's fine, you got women on your mind. Have a drink, have a drive, go out and see what you can find. If a daddy's rich, take her out for a meal. If a daddy's poor, just do what you feel. Speed along the lane, you can turn or a turn of 25. When the sun goes down, you can make it good and live by. Dirty when I mean, we love everybody, but we do as we please. When the weather's fine, we go fishing or go sailing in the sea. We're always happy, life's for living, yeah, that's our philosophy. Sing along with us, dee 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 dee, da 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 summertime and we'll sing again. We go driving or maybe we'll settle down. If she's rich, if she's nice, bring your friends and we'll all go into town. In the summertime when the weather is high, you can stretch right up and touch the sky. When the weather's fine, you got women on your mind. Have a drink, have a drive, go out and see what you can find. If a daddy's rich, take her out for a meal. If a daddy's poor, just do what you feel. Speed along the lane, you can turn or a turn of 25. When the sun goes down, you can make it good and live by. We're not great people, we're not dirty, we're not mean. We love everybody, but we do as we please. When the weather's fine, we go fishing or go sailing in the sea. We're always happy, life's for living, yeah, that's our philosophy. Sing along with us, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee, da-da-da-da-da, yeah, we're happy.
Sounds of the 70s, a couple summer songs for you right there. That is In the Summertime by Mongo Jerry. It's kind of a skipple pop tune from 1970. From 1974, here's Bad Company with their award-winning single, Can't Get Enough of Your Love.
Well, I'll take whatever I want, and baby, I want you. You give me something I need. Now tell me I got something for you. Come on, come on, come on and do it. Come on and do what you do.
What would the sounds of the 70s be without Queen? Here's We Are the Champions.
I've paid my dues time after time. I've done my sentence, but committed no crime. And bad mistakes, I've made a few. I've had my shells and kicked in my face, but I've come through. I need to go on, on. We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world. I've taken my bows and my curtain calls. You brought me fame and fortune and everything that goes with it. I thank you all, but it's been no bed of roses, no pleasure cruise. I consider it a challenge before the whole human race, and I ain't gonna lose. We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world. The champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. Oh, we are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions.
Sounds of the 70s. Will this band put Deborah Harry on the top of everyone's list? Everybody was talking about her. Of course, we're talking about Blondie with her Juno Award for International Single of the Year. Anyway, here it is, Heart of Glass, on the Sounds of the 70s from 1978.
Soon found out I was losing my mind.
Well, everybody knows the song Danielle by Elton John and Bernie Taupin. Bernie Taupin says, when you try to explain that song, it still doesn't make sense what he says. He said, the true meaning of the song, the story was about a guy that went back to a small town in Texas, returning from a Vietnam War. They landed him when he came home and treated him like a hero, but he just wanted to go home, go back to the farm, and try to get back to the life that he'd led before. To me, that doesn't make any sense because Daniel we thought was dead, but he was anyway. So 1973, number one song for Elton John and Bernie Taupin. Here's Danielle on the sounds of the 70s.
Daniel is traveling tonight on a plane. I can see the red tail lights heading for Spain. Oh, and I can see Daniel waving goodbye. God, it looks like Daniel must be the clouds in my eyes. They say Spain is pretty, though I've never been. Daniel says it's the best place he's ever seen. Oh, and he should know he's been there enough. Lord, I miss Daniel. Oh, I miss him so much. Oh, Daniel, my brother, you are older than me. Do you still feel the pain of the scars that won't heal? Your eyes have died, but you see more than I. Daniel, you're a star in the faith of the sky. Oh, Daniel, my brother, you are older than me. Do you still feel the pain of the scars that won't heal? Your eyes have died, but you see more than I. Daniel, you're a star in the faith of the sky. Daniel is traveling tonight on a plane. I can see the red tail lights heading for Spain. Oh, and I can see Daniel waving goodbye. God, it looks like Daniel must be the clouds in my eyes. Oh God, it looks like Daniel must be the clouds in my eyes.
Sounds of the 70s. I'm Oscar Osbo. I saw these guys in Florida with the band Firefall and also half of England Dan and John Ford Coley. But anyway, here they are. This is Orleans from 1973. The music is just starting. The night is calling, and I'm falling. Dance with me.
Dance with me. I want to be your partner. Can't you see? The music is just starting. The night is calling, and I am falling. Dance with me. Fantasy could never be so killing.
are willing to lift the beat up and kick your feet up, dance with me. Let it lift you off the ground. Sorry, and love is all around us. I can take you where you want to go. Oh, dance with me. I want to be your partner. Can't you see? The music is just starting. Night is calling, and I am falling. Dance with me. Let it lift you off the ground. Starry-eyed, and love is all around us. I can take you where you want to go. Dance with me. I want to be your partner. Can't you see? The music is just starting. Night is calling, and I am falling. Dance with me.
I gave a girl a ride in my wagon. She crawled in and took control. She was tired, 'cause her mind was a dragging. I said, get some sleep and dream of rock and roll. 'Cause like a princess she was laying there, moonlight dancing off her hair. She woke up and took me by the hand. She's gonna love me in my Chevy van, and that's alright with me. Her young face was like that of an angel. Her long legs were tan and brown. Better keep your eyes on the road, son. Better slow this vehicle down. 'Cause like a princess she was laying there, moonlight dancing off her hair. She woke up and took me by the hand. She's gonna love me in my Chevy van, and that's alright with me.
70s. That was 1973. That was Sammy Johns, and everybody wanted a Chevy van after that song. Well, this song was released on February 24th, 1970. Gender kind of calling it Bubblegum Soul, but it actually knocked off the Beatles' Let It Be song off the charts and became number one. And that was just the beginning. Here's ABC, the Jackson 5.
One, two, three, baby, you and me, girl.
All good things must come to an end, and that's Rare Earth, Get Ready. And that was, it was released in 1969 by Motown Records, but the album spawned a number 4 hit on the Billboard Top 100 charts in 1970, and that was Get Ready. Also another hit that was made by the Temptations in the early 60s. So there you go. We got Sounds of the 70s, and we'll do Sounds of the 70s again real soon, so keep it right here wherever we are at. On YouTube, or hey, maybe somebody will pick us up someday. You never know. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the show. I'm Oscar Osbo. We'll see you again next time when I put one of these together. All right. Have a good one.